Hello, pre-algebra parents and guardians. This is Mr. Silva, and I just want to share with you a quick video on how to navigate Google Classroom and our Classroom website. So you can see here we are on the Google Classroom site for pre-algebra, and the window will always open under the stream, which is just an ongoing submission of things that I post or information I share with students. The meat and potatoes of the Google Classroom is under classwork. And so if we click on this, I have separated the classroom into class info, and these are items that will never go away. That's information or materials that students can use all year long, and this is important for you as well. Below that is classwork and homework, and this will constantly get populated with new assignments as they are generated. And then below that, I have quizzes and questions of the week that students will be accessing as well. The main reason for this video is to show you the class info here. My my Zoom meeting link, and my classroom website. Students already successfully set up Delta Math accounts, so they don't need that anymore, but there it is for you. And then how to create and turn in PDFs. There are 2 videos embedded in here, which I went through with the students on how to first create PDFs using their iPad, and then how to upload and attach them into Classroom. So that's a very helpful video that they'll be using this process all year long. And so those videos are there for you to turn back if you ever need to help your student with that. But let's go ahead and jump into the Classroom website. So here is the link to my Classroom website. It's a Google site, and the one that you're interested in is pre-algebra, and it jumps you right to the tutorial video page because I think that's the most beneficial page for the students. And so what you'll find is every chapter section in the book is highlighted here in chronological order, and there are at least two links per section. Sometimes there are more than 2. The first link is always in bold, and that bold link will send the student to a YouTube video that I felt was beneficial for their understanding of the content. And this is something they can fall back on if they're having trouble with whatever the homework or activity is for the assignment. The second video that is also beneficial to them will go to an education video that I created, and these videos align directly with the book that we are using. So in our book, before each exercise, there are some problems called checkpoint problems, and they're just like the example problems in the book, except they don't get the answers. And so what I've done is I do these problems with the student so they can go ahead and check their answers to make sure they're doing the problems right before moving on to the exercise. And so again, these are all posted on our Classroom website under tutorial videos. And again, each chapter section will have at least 2 video links for their help. Also under the pre-algebra tab, I have chapter notes. Those are my handwritten notes if students want to look at those. But in all honesty, we're going to be doing notes in class together, and students can do them at home. And we're practicing how I want them to take notes, so they shouldn't have to copy mine ever. And then there are a couple other just resources for them. I really like the Awesome Math Songs, because it's fun to learn in different ways. Questions of the week will be pushed out through the Google Classroom, but they'll always be on our website as well for students to follow. So there you have it. That is a quick rundown of Google Classroom and our Classroom website for information that you can always fall back on and use to help your student throughout the year. As always, never hesitate to contact me if you need to. My contact information is on the signed syllabus that you have a copy of. You can reach me at email or my Google Voice number. And again, thank you for your support, and I'm looking forward to having a great year.